This is another one of the kits that we have for high school: Volcanoes, Volcanic Rocks, and Earthquakes. It's a semester study, again from a biblical perspective. In the kit, you're going to find our signature samples. In this one, you're going to get lots and lots of volcanic samples. There's so many different kinds of samples that you can get with volcanoes, from lavas and tuffs, all kinds of things. Beautiful samples. In addition, you'll be getting the rock-forming minerals, the different minerals that go into making the various volcanic rocks. Then, of course, you have the textbook. Textbook is going to take you about a semester. Let's take a look at the table of contents. The book is in color. So what is a volcano? Different types of volcanoes, radiometric dating, earthquakes and volcanoes, lessons from Mount St. Helens, volcanoes, the Genesis flood, and the Ice Age. A lot of really good subjects to get into here as regards volcanoes. And each lesson is going to have a quiz, and there's a comprehensive exam at the end of the book. You can see some of the beautiful illustrations that we've got here in the book from different volcanoes, different rocks, different formations around the world. Things to love and appreciate about volcanoes and earthquakes as you're studying them. So this is our semester study on volcanoes, volcanic rocks, and earthquakes. You can purchase this kit at our website, northwesttreasuresgeology.com.